Parents, today we'll be learning about consonant digraphs. So in Sesotho, when we see this letter, it makes the sound T. Then we have words that have this sound. Words like tafole, tafole, and we have words like terene, terene, tafole, terene. These words have the sound T in them. Then we have words that have this sound. When we see this sound, it makes the sound. It's the same as in English. Then we have words like heso, 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 and words like haufi, haufi. These are words that have the sound in them, which is this letter. Then when we take the T and the sounds and put them together, they make the sound T. They make the sound T. Now for this sound T, we have words like taba, 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 and words like tabo, tabo. And another example, mata, mata. These are examples of words that have the T sound. So this sound is T. This sound is when we put them together, they make the sound T. Thank you.